through a motion ex parte, a motion on notice. If it is ex parte, the other party is not required to be placed on notice. Why it is, if it is through motion on notice, that means you have to notify the other party of the motion. So by way of motion on notice, first you must state the heading, the heading of the court. If it is the Court of Appeal, the Supreme Court, the Magistrate Court, Federal High Court or High Court, you state it in the front of the motion paper. You also clearly state the parties that are the parties to the suit. Then you also clearly state the law you are relying on, the law that gives you the permission to bring that motion before the court, because every request must have a law backing it. Also, you now state the orders you pray the court to grant you on the face of the motion. Then also you attach an affidavit to your motion. Affidavit, you state the facts you are relying on and also the exhibits you are relying on. The exhibits should be marked so that the court can easily identify the exhibits. Also, attached to your motion paper, it is also required to attach a written address. What I mean by written address is where you state your legal submission and your legal argument. You clearly state the law you're relying on. You explicitly state the case laws you are relying on, explain it and make your submission in the written address. After moving your motion paper in court, the court will now look at the written address, look at your motion and the affidavit and know whether it's going to grant your prayers or not. So that is how we come to court to make an application.